out there because I didn't know anything about this till a little while ago.
Mm-hmm.
Did you know that there's an asteroid flying at Earth at 18,320 miles per hour right now?
Yeah, when's it going to get here, though? 40,000 years from now or something?
A couple hours. So they because somehow, according to the report I read,
that's not good.
Well, no, listen. So the report I read said it's making its way to Earth, and it slipped through the net. I'm like, what the fuck does that mean? There's
a net?
Because they have a net. You know, once you get to a certain point, they're like, okay, that's there. Somehow this one slipped through the net, as they called it. They said net in quotes. So this asteroid, and they're calling it...
What, did Neil Armstrong put a fucking net up there? What are they talking about?
It's just basically a border where it gets to this certain point in space, so it's this distance from the planet, then they start tracking it more. And for some reason, this one kind of slipped through. Okay?
Well,
it's a good defense system, guys. But here's what... it's called Asteroid 2019-QZ1. So we're just going to call it QZ1, okay?
Why don't they have like a cool name like Death Star or fucking Missile? They got to...
Well, it's pretty big. It's like 187 miles or 187 feet. I'm sorry. It's 187 miles big.
I was like, what? That's bigger than the one that killed the dinosaurs.
So it's 180. So basically, if you stood it on end at one point, it'd be as tall as Big Ben. Okay?
Wow.
And it's pretty round.
Actually, before someone makes fun of me, the one that killed the dinosaurs was like the size of Texas, I thought. So 187 miles is way wrong.
No, actually, the one that killed the dinosaurs was... No, the one from Armageddon was the size of Texas.
Oh, okay.
The one that killed the dinosaurs was smaller than that.
So I'm getting my fiction wrong with fiction because Jesus says there was no dinosaur.
Oh, so that's how big it is. It's going to come within 1 astronomical unit of the planet Earth. So watch out, guys.
I don't know.
1 astronomical unit. I'm sorry. It's going to come within 0.03198 astronomical units of the planet, which equals 2.9 million miles.
On a scale of 1 to storable food and ham radios, like how fucked are we? That's what I want to know.
One is the least dangerous, right? So I'm going to go with that. It's going to pass almost 3 million miles away, so don't worry about it. That's really close, though.
I know. As far as astronomy, that's like a grazing punch.
Yeah,
really.
So it's pretty close as far as those things go. But my worry was that they said it slipped through the net, which means they missed it at first. How the fuck did you miss it? And it's not just them. It was the whole system, which is us, the British, a bunch of other people that are involved with space stuff together.
You left out the Jews.
Well, they somehow...
You got to throw that in there,
They somehow all missed this thing at first. But looks like we'll be okay. If tomorrow afternoon when we wake up, well, morning, but wake up and the Earth's still here, should be good.
True.
Because it's supposed to hit like sometime mid-morning, 8 o'clock in the morning-ish. It's supposed to pass by Earth 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, British time. So we should know.
Yeah, we'll know by that time.
Yeah. So.